Let us learn types of delusions. Delusions are categorized into different groups: bizarre delusion, non-bizarre delusion, mood congruent delusion, mood neutral delusion, delusion of control, nihilistic delusion, delusional jealousy, delusion of guilt or sin, delusion of mind being read, delusion of reference, erotomania, grandiose delusion, persecutory delusion, religious delusion, somatic delusion, delusion of parasitosis, delusion of poverty. Bizarre delusion includes that a delusion that is very strange and complete implausible. That is, an example of a bizarre delusion would be that aliens have removed the affected person's brain. Non-bizarre delusion is delusion that though false is at least possible. That is, example, the affected person mistakenly believes that he is under constant police surveillance. The delusion, it may be false, is at least possible. Then mood congruent delusion, any delusion with the content consistent with either a depressive or manic state. A depression person believes that new angers on delusion highly disapprove of him, or a person in a manic state might believe he is a powerful deity. Mood neutral delusion, a delusion that does not relate to sufferer's emotional state. For example, a belief that an extra limb is growing out of back of one's head is neutral to either depression or mania. Delusion that does not relate to sufferer's emotional state. Then, delusion of control is a false belief that another person, group of people, or external force control one's thought, feelings, impulses, or behavior. That is delusion of control. Another person controls one's thought, feelings, impulses, or behavior. The nihilistic delusion is a person with this type of delusion may have the false belief that the world is ending. Delusional jealousy or delusion of infidelity is a person with this delusion falsely believes a spouse or lover is having an affair. Delusion of guilt or sin is that there is a false feeling of remorse or guilt of delusional intensity. Delusion of mind being read, false belief that other people can know one's thoughts. Then delusion of reference is person falsely believes that insignificant remark, event, or object in one's environment have personal meaning or significance, that the remarks may be insignificant. Then erotomania is a delusion where someone believes another person is in love with them. Someone believes another person is in love with them. Then grandiose delusion, individual is convinced he has special power, talent, or abilities. Sometimes individual may actually believe he or she is a famous person or character. For example, a rock star. That is grandiose delusion. Then persecutory delusion. These are the most common type of delusion. Involve the theme of being followed, harassed, cheated, poisoned, drugged, conspired against, spied on, attacked on, obstructed in the pursuit of goals. Then religious delusion is any delusion with a religious or spiritual content. These may be combined with other delusions such as grandiose delusion. The belief that the affected person is a god or chosen to act as a god, for example. Then somatic delusion is a delusion whose content pertains to bodily functioning, bodily sensation, or physical appearance. Usually false belief is that body is somehow diseased, abnormal, or changed. For example, infested with a parasite. Delusion of parasitosis or DOP or delusional parasitosis is a delusion in which one feels infested with an insect, bacteria, mite, spider, lice, fleas, worms, or organism. And affected individuals may report being repeatedly bitten. In some cases, entomologists are asked to investigate cases of mysterious bites. Sometimes physical manifestation may occur, including skin lesion. That is delusion of parasitosis. Delusion of poverty is person strongly believes that he is financially incapacitated, and although this type of delusion is less common now, it is however interesting to note that it was particularly widespread in the days before state support. So, delusions are categorized in different groups, and bizarre, non-bizarre, mood congruent, mood neutral, delusion of control, nihilistic, and this bizarre and non-bizarre. Non-bizarre is a delusion that though false is at least possible. Affected person mistakenly believes. And this bizarre delusion is a delusion that is very strange and completely implausible. Then mood congruent delusion is a delusion with a content consistent with either a depressive or manic state. Then mood neutral delusion is a delusion that does not relate to sufferer's emotional state. And belief that an extra limb is growing out of back of one's head is neutral to either depression or mania. Then delusion of control. Then nihilistic delusion, delusion of jealousy, delusion of guilt, delusion of mind being read, reference, erotomania. Erotomania is a delusion where someone believes another person is in love with them. Then grandest delusion, persecutory delusion, religious delusion, somatic delusion, delusion of parasitosis and poverty. Thus we have completed the types of delusion. Thank you.